I've been doing 3 weeks. So like the first week I did 60%, second 80, and then now I'm doing like 100% markup and
Nice.
seems to be coming along.
No, I'm saying if you guys really want to to speed it up, you could always look up how to create like an agent, like a chat GPT agent around it, which is what I did, but I can't explain it to you. You have to go watch a YouTube video on how to create an agent. And now you can just drop those items in there, and it'll just update that listing for you, so you can just copy and paste it back into the block list.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I like that. I have to look that up. I guess my focus right now has been like I've been doing 3 weeks. So like the first week I did 60%, second 80, and then now I'm doing like 100% markup and
Nice.
seems to be coming along fine. Like the
Yeah,
sales haven't really slowed down. So I'm just kind of posting stuff and trying to
that's
increase my
good.
profit, right? Because like I've gotten decent volume, I think, for the first few weeks, but not a lot of profit. So I'm kind of like, my big goal is to get to 100 positive feedback, and I'm at 28 right now because I feel like at that point it's probably like a tipping point.
Yeah, no, I,
But
I agree. I agree. You just try to collect data.
How many sales you already have?
I have 103 sales, like 1,300 revenue, couple hundred profit, right? And then 28 positive feedback so far.
Okay, so you said you had 100 sales already?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so you're exactly at 28%. Every 7 days, you're gonna get automatic feedback from eBay if nothing was marked wrong for the item. If there's no case on it, if there's no return and stuff like that. So these are just gonna keep rolling. Obviously, the ones that matter the most are the one where the buyer actually left a positive feedback and say something, because you can just attack those people and get more sales from those people, because they're gonna leave you a positive feedback every time they buy from you. That's how you speed that up.
Yeah, yeah, and it's been good. So I mean, everything's been positive. So I'm just kind of trying to get to like 100 feedback, and then I want to try to push my store like bottom end price up to like $10 instead of right now where I have some pretty cheap stuff on there for some of the sales I'm making, just to like get a little bit more profit per
That's
deal.
smart.
But
I like that you did
Yeah,
that.
good
Yeah,
idea.
that's good. But besides
Uh,
that, no, I think we've been able to help you out.